back many centuries ago, not long after the Bible began, Jacob lived in the land of Canaan, a fine example of a family man. Jacob and sons depended on farming to earn their keep. Jacob and sons spent all of his days in the fields with sheep. Jacob was the founder of a whole new nation. Thanks to the number of children he had, he was also known as Israel, but most of the time, his sons and his wives used to call him Dad. Jacob and sons, men of the soil, of the sheep underwood. Jacob and sons, a remarkable family in anyone's book.
Reuben!
The eldest of the children of Israel,
Simeon!
and Levi, next in line. Naphtali, Isachaar, Asher, Dan, Zebulun, and Gad, and the total of 9. Jacob and sons, Benjamin and Judah, which leaves only one. Jacob and sons, Joseph, Bruk, Peter and son. Jacob and sons, Jacob and sons, Jacob and sons,
Joseph's mother, she was quite my favorite. Never really loved another woman. Joseph was my joy because he reminded me of her.
Through young Joseph, Jacob lived his youth again. Loved him, praised him, gave him all he could, but then made the rest feel second best. And even if they were
Being told we're also brands does not make us Joseph's fans.
but where they have really missed the boat is
We're great guys, but no one seems to notice.
Joseph's charm and winning smile failed to slay them in the aisle, but their father couldn't be defeated. He could not imagine anything. He just saw in Joseph all his dreams come true. Jacob wanted to show the world he loved his son, make it clear that Joseph wasn't special once Jacob lost his son of gold, from multicolored coat to wear.
Joseph's coat was elegant, the cotton spot. Tasteful style was the ultimate approach. This is why it caught the eye. A king would stop and stare.
And when Joseph tried it on, he knew his sheepskin teeth were gone. Such a dazzling coat of many colors. How he loved his coat of many colors. In a class of golden well such a stunning coat of many colors. How he loved his coat of many colors. It was red and yellow and green and brown and blue. Joseph's brothers were pleased with what they saw.
We have never liked him all that much, and now this coat has got our goat. We feel life is unfair.
And when Joseph graced the scene, his brothers turned a shade of green. His astounding clothing took the biscuit.
Quite the smoothest person in the district.
I look handsome, I look smart, I am a work of art. Such a dazzling coat of many colors. How I love my coat of many colors. It was red and yellow and green and brown, scarlet and black and
Ochre, peach, ruby, Collin.